Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn number work from your maths textbook. Do you all remember what we have studied last year, children? We learned to write numbers, number names, groupings, short form and expanded form of two-digit numbers, right? Now in this year we are going to learn numbers, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers, ascending and descending order, greatest and smallest numbers, and place value and face value of three-digit numbers, and more about three-digit numbers. Now children, let us revise about place value and face value first. Face value. First of all, we are going to learn about face value. The face value of digit is the digit itself. It never changes. Let us take an example. Here we have number 67. Children, as I told you before, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. So, the face value of number 7 is the digit itself. That means 7. The face value of 6 is 6. Now, let us take one more example. Here we have number 99. So, the face value of this 9 is the digit itself. That means 9. And the face value of this 9 is 9. As we know, children, the face value never changes according to the place. So here face value of this 9 is 9. Now let us learn about place value. Place value is a value of a digit according to its place or position in the number. That means if we change the place of a digit, its place value also changes. Let us see one example. Here we have number 49. Children, to find out place value, first we have to find out in which place the digit is. Children, here number 9 is in ones place and number 4 is in tens place, right? So to find out the place value of 9, what we have to see? Yes, we have to see its place. And the place is ones. And 9 ones means 9. So the place value of 9 is 9. Now let us see the place value of 4. So children, tell me, in which place is number 4? Yes, right. 4 is in tens place. So the place value of 4 is 4 tens. That means 40. Now let us take one more example. Here we have number 66. Let us write down the place first. So, this 6 is in ones place and this 6 is in tens place. As this 6 is on ones place, so the place value of this 6 is, yes, correct, 6. Now, the place value of this 6 is, right, 6 tens means 60. Children, here we have some numbers and we have to find out place value and face value of underlined number. First of all, let us write places of numbers. So, this is ones place of number and this is tens place. So, here the underlined digit in number 28 is 8. And 8 is in which place? Yes, right. 8 is in ones place. So, the place value of 8 is correct, 8. And as we know, the face value of a digit is digit itself. So, the face value of 8 is 8. Now, next number is 57 and the underlined digit is 5. Children, 5 is in which place? Yes, 5 is in tens place. So, 5 tens means 50. That means the place value of 5 is 50. And the face value of 5 is 5. Here, the next number is 86. And the underlined number or underlined digit is 8. So, children, 8 is in which place? Yes, 8 is in tens place. 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. Okay, so the place value of 8 is 80. And the face value of 8 is the digit itself. That means 8. Now, the next number is 55. Here, underlined digit 5 is in ones place. So, 5 ones means 5. So, the place value of 5 is, yes, 5. And the face value of 5 is the digit itself. That means 5. Children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are one digit numbers. Smallest one digit number is 1 and biggest one digit number is 9. Number 10 to 99, these are two digit numbers. And smallest two digit number is 10. Biggest two digit number is 99. Introducing hundreds. Sonu said, I bought 100 oranges. Tony said, here are 100 candies. Nandu said, I scored a century. Salma said, I counted. These bangles are 10 tens. All of them have the same number of things, children. But each of them said it in different way. A century has 100 units, or simply it's 100. 100, 100, a century, 10 tens means 100, 100, 100, 100. Children, 9 beads are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If we add one bead in it, then it makes 10 beads. So, 9 beads and 1 bead together make 10 beads. Children, you know that 9 is the biggest one digit number. And if we add 1 to 8, then we get smallest two digit number, that is 10. And a group of 10 things is called a 10. So children, 10 is the smallest two digit number and 99 is the biggest two digit number. And when we add 1 to 8, we get the 3 digit number 100. Now children, let us count these beads. This one string has how many beads? 10 beads. 10 beads means 110. So let us count how many strings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So children, there are 9 tens means 90 beads. And these 9 beads together make 99 beads. And children, this 99, number 99 is the biggest two-digit number. And number 99 has 9 ones and 9 tens. And after adding one bead to it, we get 100, 100. And children, 100, number 100 is the smallest three-digit number. The new place on the left in the three-digit number 100 is the place of hundreds. 100 is a three-digit number. In number 100, there are 0 ones, 0 tens and 100. Shall we represent the number 100 in abacus? Children, how many beads are there in ones place? Yes, how many beads are there in ones place? Yes, there are 0 beads in ones place. Now, let us look at tens place. 0 beads in tens place shows 0 tens. So, write 0 tens. And 1 bead in hundreds place shows 100. So, write 1 bead in hundreds place. It shows 100, 100, 100. Represent the number 200 in abacus. Number of beads in ones place 0. Number of beads in the tens place 0. So write 0 in tens place. Now number of beads in hundreds place 2. Number of beads in 100 place is 2. It represents 200. So we will write 2 in hundreds place. Similarly, it is the same in the case of other numbers like 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. Now children, 3 beads in hundreds place makes 300. 300, 300. 4 beads in hundreds place makes 400. 400, 400. Now 5 beads in hundreds place makes 500. 500, 500. 6 beads in hundreds place makes 600. 600, 600. Now 7 beads in hundreds place makes 700. 700, 700. 8 beads in hundreds place makes 800. 800, 800. 9 beads in hundreds place makes 900. 900, 900. Children, this is Sonu and she had 100 beads. Then she made a 100 bead string and put that string in a bag. Yes, here is a purse of 100. So children, one purse of 100 beads makes 100. Similarly, 2 purse of 100 beads makes 200. 3 purse of 100 beads makes 300. 4 purse of 100 beads makes 400. 5 pairs of 100 beads makes 5 hundreds. 6 pairs of 100 beads makes 6 hundreds. 7 pairs of 100 beads makes 700. 8 pairs of 100 beads makes 800, and 9 pairs of 100 beads makes 900s. Children, here are some bundle of sticks. Each bundle has 10 sticks. Now let us count how many bundles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So children, there are 10 bundles of 10 sticks. So there are 10 tens. And children, you know that 10 tens means 100. So here 10 tens of sticks makes 100 sticks. Children, now we know that 10 tens make 100. That is 100, which is 100. Now here we have 20 tens. 20 tens make 200. That is 200, which is 200. Now here we have 40 tens. 40 tens make 400. That is 400, which is 400. 50 tens. 50 tens make 500. That is 500, which is 500. Now children, one activity is given here. Let us solve it. In the empty boxes, write the correct number of crayons. Here we have some crayons and the columns are hundreds, tens, ones. Now in the next box, we have to write numbers in figures and then we have to write numbers in words. So here, children, we have a box of 100 crayons and one more crayon, which means 100, 0 tens and 1 ones or units. In figures, it would be 101 and in words it would be 101. Now in this picture we have a box of 100 crayons and 2 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens and 2 ones. In figures it would be 102 and in words it would be 102. Now the next picture has a box of 100 crayons and 3 more crayons, which means 100, 0 tens and 3 ones. In figures it would be 103 and in words 103. In this next picture we have a box of 100 crayons and 4 more crayons. It means 100, 0 tens, 4 ones. In figures it would be 104 and in words it would be 104. In this next picture we have a box of 100 crayons and 5 more crayons. So it means 100, 0 tens, 5 ones. It means 105. In words it would be 105. Now here we have a box of 100 crayons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more crayons. It means 100, 0 tens and 6 ones. In figures it would be 106 and in words it would be 106. Now here we have a box of 100 crayons and 7 more crayons, which means 100, 0 tens and 7 ones. In figures it would be 107 and in words it would be 107. In this next picture we have a box of 100 crayons and 8 more crayons, which means 100, 0 tens and 8 ones. In figures it would be 108 and in words it would be 108. Now children, over here we have a box of 100 crayons and 9 more crayons, which means 100, 0 tens and 9 ones. In figures it would be 109 and in words it would be 109. Now here we have a box of 100 crayons and 10 more crayons, which means 100, 1 tens and 0 ones. In figures it would be 110 and in words it would be 110. Show the right number on abacus. Write the number in figures and words. So children, to find out correct number, let us begin with hundreds. So here we have 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 4 ones. So let us show this on abacus. We will put 2 beads on hundreds place. 1, 2, as we have 2 hundreds. Then we have how many tens? We have 5 tens. So we will put 5 beads in tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then in ones place we will put 4 beads as we have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In figure the number is 2, 5 and 4. It means 254. Now children, in this next picture we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 hundreds. And how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 tens. And how many ones are there, children? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 6 ones. Now let us show this number on abacus. So we have 5 hundreds. So let us put 5 beads in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we have 3 tens. So 1, 2 and 3. And how many ones do we have? We have 6 ones. So let us put 6 beads in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In figures the number is 5, 3, 6, while in words it is 536. Now children, in this slide we have 4 hundreds, 0 tens and 6 ones. So let us show this on abacus. So in hundreds place we will put 4 beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4 as we have 4 hundreds. And no bead will go in tens place as we have 0 tens. Now in ones place we will put 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as we have 6 ones. In figures, the number is 4, 0, 6, while in words it is 406. Now here we have, how many hundreds do we have, children, over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 hundreds. How many tens? 0 tens. And how many ones are there? 0 ones. So let us show this amount or number in abacus. So we have 6 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now no bead will go in tens place and ones place as we have 0 tens and 0 ones. So in figures the number would be 6, 0, 0, and in words it would be 600. That's all for today, children. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye.